Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and check out this amazing remodel at 7033 Cordoba Court in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg, and also located on a quiet cul-de-sac. For more information, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com/4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. Fresh paint inside and out, brand new roof, one-car garage, and there's some stone veneer there, and over in the corner there. Let's step inside. All brand new flooring, very attractive laminate flooring. I really like this. This is the foyer. And this leads to the kitchen, which we'll come back to. Coat closet there and door to the garage. Here's the living room with a wood burning fireplace. And let's take a look at this spectacular kitchen. There's a breakfast bar there. Stainless steel appliances. Granite counter. Tile backsplash. Pendant light there. And everything's brand new. Here's a closer look at these beautiful counters and tile backsplash. Everything matches really well. And here's the view from this side of the kitchen. This is the backyard. A small patio here and a brand new deck. There's a brand new heat pump there, and the backyard is fenced in. And we'll go down the hallway to see 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Linen closet there, and the first bedroom. And the second bedroom. Pretty tile floor in the first full bath here. Here's the vanity. And the master bedroom. And it does have a walk-in closet here. And here's the master bath, which is equally as attractive as the last bathroom. There's the vanity and tile floor again. Thanks for watching the tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888, to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.